I got you. Very good. All your lines are straight. About 45 cross, but really light right now. Really nice. Let's head on up. Okay, let's slowly walk about halfway out, maybe slightly further than halfway. The more headwind you have, the slower you want to walk out, because if, let's say it's blowing 10 miles an hour, this thing already wants to fly at 10 miles an hour, so it's going to be floating off your shoulders. If I walk out quickly, I'm adding airspeed. It's only a mile or two an hour walking, but it's more airspeed, right? Let's walk out a little bit further, a couple of steps, a little more. That's good right there. All right. Get you a target out there, and the target I like to use, I don't know if I ever told you, the last mountain you can see on the horizon. It's dark. You can see a little strip of horizon. Yep. Right? And then there's a mountain that dropped off into the fog. Yep. See that? That mountain that's where I'll look every time I launch. Right where that mountain meets that fog, at the top edge of the horizon. That's where you want to look every time you launch off here. You ready? Ready. Have a good flight.
Clear.